What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Neg Entropy Chronicles. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Help your boy out. Now, what we're talking about today, I don't even want to spoil it, man. I just want y'all to see, man. This is the craziest thing that you could see on a Sunday evening before the sun goes down. So let's just get into it, all right?
Jesus Christ! Guns! Call the cops right now!
Like, how many people you have in a vehicle? Good God. Who would have thought that a drive-by would turn into a game of chicken and everybody would lose? I mean, these young dudes is different, man. Like, a head-on collision. Jeez, I couldn't imagine living on a street like that and somebody starts shooting and boom, and oh man, it's just insane. Like, this street life stuff is crazy because I think, you know, they ended up finding like 8 of them. It was like 8 people involved, and the oldest person was 20 and the youngest one was 16, 17. What are we doing? How is this okay? What was the end goal? So you do the shootout, you still going to jail? Head-on collision, you going to jail? Oh man, I wish these young people would really think about what is going to happen when you do these things. It's never a positive outcome. I always wonder why that's the problem, or why that's not thought through. I mean, it's the definition of insanity, doing the same things over and over, expect the exact same way, expecting a different result. But let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Be on the lookout for more videos. All right, everybody? Peace.